Okay, so last time we'd got as far as making this shape. So now I'm going to show you a new skill, which is cutting the hipped roof, which means cutting this off at 45 degrees along here. So to do this, first of all, get yourself in 3D space, go to front, and you can see you're going to cut at 45 degrees here. So go to the front view elevation rather than work in 3D view, and you can see I've put a construction line through here, or a reference plane through here. What you now need to do is form a void extrusion rather than a solid extrusion. So if you go to create, and this time when you rather than do extrusion, do a void form. This is now a void extrusion. It's asking me to save the project. So now if I create a triangular void, think of this as a space where you don't want the roof to be. So this is, I've made that triangle, press the green arrow. If I then go to the side view and ZE, you can see this is the void form here. This will be 250 thick. And if I stretch it across here, and I could also stretch it back to there, I would say for that space, I don't want the triangle. So you're back onto front. You've now got this void form, which is the full width. Look in 3D space, and you can see this. Okay, so you've done that. What you now need to do is cut. So you need to look at the cut command. So if you look at the cut command, you can see you've got a space here and a space here. And when you've got the cut, you've got to decide what you're going to cut against what surface. If you hover over any command, it gives you a little video of what it's attempting to do. So I think what it's saying is cut, press the bit you want to cut against and the surface you want to cut, like that. So it's the order. It was select the void first and then select the shape you want to cut. Okay, so now you've got a hipped roof. So if you go to a reference level or floor plan, if you like, what we need to do now is put on a chimney and chimney stacks, and I'll leave that to you.